Morning guys. So I wanted to do a quick get ready with me because I am on my way to class and school's about to start. So I decided to just do a really quick get ready with me with you guys. And I am using all oldies but goodies. I have so much makeup, not as much as a lot of you, but I have so much makeup, and once I get something new, I don't want to touch the old stuff anymore. So I made myself go back and like grab old things that I used to love and try to make it work. So what I have is my Hourglass Stick Foundation. This has to be from last summer, I want to say. So it's a darker shade, but I want to say it'll go with me now. This is not necessarily oldie for me, but it is oldie for most people. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Palette. So I'm going to try to do contour, highlight, everything out of this one. I have my Airspun and my Laura Mercier. I mixed the two. So that's definitely oldie because I have been using the Becca. This is ColourPop blush. So I got that. Also, like a blush, I like to like kind of mix everything together, like make sure everything blends, is this Lorac one. This is Cinematic. My Color FX drops. I haven't stopped using these. I prefer this over regular highlight. And then my Naked Skin. This is a new one. This is the first one they came out with, the Shapeshifter. So it looks like that. So I was gonna do like a 5-minute get ready with me, but I don't think it ever takes 5 minutes. So chapstick. So as much as I love lippies during the day when I'm in school, at work, chapstick. I'm always drinking water, always snacking on something. So alright, so my face is already primed. I did not use old primers. I used primers that I actually use now, and I'm going to go. So I'm going to do a little bit different though, because I am going to put everything on my face and then blend it together. I've seen it a lot on Instagram and YouTube. It's something I never really do, but I'm going to try it. So that'll probably actually work for making sure you not stay within my really quick, easy get ready with me. So I'm going to dive right in. Let's go. not bad for like, what, 7 minutes maybe? Maybe, I don't even know if this video was 7 minutes long. But what's not new are these. I got these this week at CVS. These are the Wet n Wild finishes. So this is the natural finish and this is the matte. I don't know which one I should use. I'm just going to use both. Give it. It smells like Pixie Sticks. That's what it smells like. So I put the natural on first and then I'll spray the matte over that. So guys, that's it. This was a quick, simple, easy, your face but better, get ready with me for school, work, or just a regular day on the go. So please like and subscribe, and until next time, bye. I'm actually headed to school now, so peace.